growth matrix. Growth comes when users, clients, customers, buyers find meaning in what you are selling. You create an idea. It has an essence, what makes it work. You create a product or a service by deciphering the essence of your idea and implementing it in a way that's meaningful to the target audience. When the target audience changes, the meaning of your product may need to change as well. You can show, through marketing, the same product to have new and different meanings, even to the same target audience. New meanings are created based on the same abstract idea by 1. Creating a variation or even a completely new product based on the same idea. 2. Offering the same product in a way that creates a different meaning. The more meanings you can find and present to the same target audience, the faster the growth. The more target audiences you find for the same meaning, the faster the growth. Use both new meanings and new target audiences to get exponential growth, the multiplication of the two.